In healthcare facilities, the effort to prevent hospital-acquired infections is always evolving. But there is one spot that is almost always overlooked: the water trap. The water trap is located under the sink, below the drain. However, it's not a trap for germs, viruses, bacteria, and fungi. It's a perfect home. And each time medical providers wash their hands, a fresh spray of germs may enter the air and infect the hands of medical providers that later transfer the germs to the patients. Fortunately, there's a way to solve the problem: the UVC light water trap from Dolphin Care. Using ultraviolet light, the Dolphin Care water trap can sanitize itself, killing more than 99.9% of bacteria present. Now, when people wash their hands, there's almost no harmful spray of germs. Just another simple way to safeguard patient well-being.